man? It's your boy Quick, and I'm back with another video, man. I know it's been a minute since I checked in with y'all, but I finally got some content to bring to y'all, man. A couple new pickups for the car. I'm starting to get my part list together for the stuff that I got to do for it next year, man. So, like I said, a couple things came in, so I'm going to bring these to y'all right now. Right here, man, we got the little bezel thing for the double end that I purchased. That's what's in this box. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm finna go to my homeboy house now and see can we get this thing opened up and make sure that everything's gonna work right, all the components and parts that we need. Right here I got some suspension parts, man. If y'all remember in one of my other videos, I was saying how I was having a problem with my rim scrubbing. So I bought these upper and lower adjustable trailer arms in the rear. Hopefully, you know, that can eliminate my problem when it comes to me scrubbing. The guy that had my car last, he was saying that my rear end kind of sat a little bit to the left, so therefore it was making my rim scrub on the other side. So I'm hoping that right there, these upper and lower control arms, man, I hope that kind of fix that problem for me, but we'll figure that out once that time comes. But for right now, man, I'm finna put this stuff in the car. I'm finna go holler at one of my BTR members, and we finna see about getting this CD player hooked up, man. This ain't no chicken shit right here now.
That shit, I'm pretty slow to that, boy.
I gotta do the interior now, bro.
Oh, man, showing the man interior, man. Come on, man. Ain't no way quick.
You gotta do the interior, man. Hey, like I say now, like I did my first video, the good, the bad, the ugly. You gotta tell the folk what you gonna do to the car, man. You gotta get a folk the details.
Whenever I get the ray pressure off.
I ain't seen that be like that. Is so long. That be look pretty damn good.
I ain't paid that big yet. Why would I pay that motherfucker?
Hey, you ain't never had your car wet sand the board either, did you?
No, man, that shit. I'm gonna get another paint job. That shit, I've been nicking it up. I did it the other day. When that bitch come back wet sand the board, I better not get 5 feet of my car.
I'll do that big, man. New pickup, man. Little Pioneer. Not too crazy. Not too crazy. But yeah, I bought the little face thing. That bitch was immaculate.
That bitch told me 10,000 on it.
Sheesh. To do what?
The interior.
That's it. But he got the door. Yeah, I told him the red deck, console, and here do the door panels and carbon seats.
I wanted to clip in right there. We'll have it'll be
we ain't perfect yet. You know, we still getting everything situated and sorted out. Cause like I said, once I get ready to redo the music anyway, it's gonna come out again.
I'm clip right there.
Long as it don't fall out.
That's what I'm trying to make sure. Cause if it were to be stick up there, that's a clean look. Velcro right now so you know what that bitch is. But these bitches get loud quick.